Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to record your screen in Windows, capturing both system audio and microphone input, all without the need for third-party tools. Let's dive in. First, search for Snipping tool and open it. A small window will be opened. There is an option of capturing screenshot or screen recording at the top. To record the screen, click on the new icon. Now an interface will be opened in which you have to select the area which you have to record. In audio, you get an option to allow recording of your mic and the system sound of your PC. Now, to start recording, click on Start. And to stop recording, click on Stop sign. The only catch with this is, you have to manually save the recording. There is no option for automatically saving it yet. To save the recordings, click on the Save icon on the top right corner. You can choose your location and name of the recorded file, and then click on Save. You can see our recording has been saved successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.